Good evening, audiences. After a long time, I'm meeting you. Hope all of you are fine. Actually, I could not make the video because I was involved in certain important work. So, today I'm definitely going to speak about friendship, which is quite rational and relevant in today's context. At the same point of time, I'm going to unleash my thought process about friendship. So now let me tell you one thing, that why I have chosen this topic, because last year when I was diagnosed with deadly disease, that point of time I really have experienced the true meaning of friendship, and it was an awakening for me. So that's why I figured that, to a certain extent I'm compatible to speak about friendship. So that's why I've chosen this topic. So without further ado, let's get into the topic, friendship. Now you may ask me that what what is the definition of friendship. Fine. Now for me, actually, friendship has to be effortless. It should come from within. In order to pursue friendship, you should not put any effort which is actually visible. So it should come from within, it should be effortless. And of course, friendship, as it is a quality, so it is actually primordial, primitive. At the same point of time, it is instinctive. Now a person, if that particular person who is fastidious, if he wants the constructive definition, then I can give the constructive definition. The constructive definition would be, friendship, actually, we all know it's a quality. Because it is a quality, that's why it has many ingredients. What are the ingredients? Just before a while I spoke about the ingredient. One is primitiveness, another one is being primordial, another one is instinctiveness, right? So now friendship actually is a quality which can be defined as the fusion of understanding and being concerned. This is the constructive definition. If a person is a friend of mine, then he or she has to understand my mental state, which is very, very important, which is rather indispensable, and my psyche. The second point, or the second factor, or the second parameter is whether that person is concerned about me or not. Concern means every day he or she says, "How are you, Utsav? How are you, Utsav?" No, that is not a concern. Concern means that if I'm in need, whether that person is ready to help or not. Now, help actually comes from concern, comes from being concerned, rather. So that means the second factor, being concerned or concern, is acting as the precursor to help. If I am not concerned about you, I will not have the urge to help you, being a friend of yours. You have to understand this. And the fourth point is execution. So I reiterate, the first point is understanding, second point is concern, third point is help, and fourth point is execution. So in a nutshell, if I want to narrate friendship, then a person who is standing by your side when you are having a gala time is a true friend of yours. When you are having a tough time, if a particular person stand by your side, definitely he is a friend. Okay. If you are having a rough time, a friend or a so-called friend or an individual is obliterating you or is applying the evasive maneuver, then that particular individual is not a friend of yours. That particular individual either a pseudo friend, or that particular individual is an opportunist. Okay, thank you. This is actually, I wanted to talk about friendship. This is the, in a nutshell, I have said about friendship. Now I am going to talk about my real friends and my friend circle in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.